Hello everyone, I'm Manali Panchpay from Engineers Classes, and today we are going to start with the exercise of chapter number 1, that is electric charge and field. Okay, let us read question number 1. What is the force between two small charged spheres and, having charges of 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? Okay, so the data given to us is there is some charge 1, that's value is given by this, and charge number 2 whose value is given by this much amount. They are placed 30 centimeter apart, 30 centimeter. Now as per the SI unit system that we are working into, centimeter is supposed to be converted into meters. So we can say that this 30 centimeter ka R is getting changed to 0.3 meters. Okay, and they are kept in air. So done. We are supposed to find out force, Coulombian force between these two charges. So Coulombian force ka formula we already know, K Q1 Q2 upon R square, or you can simply write down 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, which denotes K. Then Q and Q2 upon R square. We directly know the value of K, so we can directly put it up. 9 into 10 to the power 9, this is K. What is Q1? It is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7. What is Q2? It is 3 into 10 to the power minus 7. What is remaining is R square. So 0.3 ka square. Okay, come on. Let us calculate. And this will end up getting 9 into 2, that is 18 into 3, 54 divided by 0.3. divided by 0.3. I'm very bad at mathematics and you must have known by now. 9 minus 7, that ends where? 14 minus 7, minus 9. So that will be 600 into 10 to the power minus 5. ये दो add हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे. So this will be 6 into 10 to the power minus 3. What is this force? So Newton. 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Done. The answer is coming correct. I mean, my answer is getting correct as per the book. Now, what will be the form of the force? So if you see, the two charges both are positive. So this is a repulsive sort of force. Write down, everyone.